Hello, fellow players! Today we dive into the exciting world of Divine Dialogue, the action game Mysterious Secret Phase. Prepare for an epic adventure full of mystery, intrigue, and unexpected twists that will keep you on the edge of your seat. In Divine Dialogue, you take on the role of an experienced protagonist who has been summoned to a mystical realm by an ancient deity. Your task is to uncover the hidden secrets of this mysterious place and decipher the divine messages left behind by the gods themselves. As you traverse beautifully crafted environments, you'll meet a diverse cast of characters, each contributing their unique knowledge and abilities to your journey. Some will help you solve complex puzzles, while others will give you vital information about the world around you and the mysterious forces in the game. But beware, the path to the truth is not always easy. You will face dangerous challenges, terrifying enemies, and heart-pounding puzzles that will test your wits and reflexes. And if you think you've seen it all, think again, there's always one more twist at the end of each level. Divine Dialogue features an immersive story, captivating music, and stunning graphics that transport you to a world unlike any other. As you progress through the game, you will uncover long-lost secrets and experience the thrill of victory as you finally defeat the evil that plagues the land. So, are you ready to embark on this unforgettable adventure and discover the truth about Divine Dialogue? Good luck, and may the odds always be in your favor as you uncover the secrets of this mysterious realm.